how to connect MetaQuest 3 to PS5. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to talk about how you can connect MetaQuest 3 to PS5. So for that you have to carefully remove the paper of your headset strap and remove the lens films and press the hold the button on the left side and the headset for 3 seconds and until you hear a chime sound and see the meta symbol appear in your headset. Remove the battery blocker from each control by gently pulling the paper tab and securely attach your controllers to visit each wrist using the adjustable straps. Turn on your controllers by pressing and holding one menu button on the left corner and meta button on the right. After holding menu button and meta button for 2 seconds, you should see a blinking white light and feel a haptic response indicating your controllers are ready to go. And from here, you will progress to through the first part of the VR tutorial, including choosing a language and connecting it to Wi-Fi before moving to adjust the feed to your MetaQuest 3. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.